We have 2 plus 4 and 3 squared minus 8 and whole squared. Okay, 2 plus 4. Okay, so 3 squared means 3 times 3, right, equals 9. Okay, 9 minus 8 whole squared. Now 2 plus 4 equals 6, right? And 9 squared means 9 times 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. 81 minus 8 squared means 8 times 8 equals 64. Now we have 6 and 81 minus 64. 6, 81 minus 64 equals 6 and 11, 17. Right? Now 6 times 17 equals 102. But this is wrong. Why? Because the square applies to the whole bracket. 3 squared minus 8, not to the 8 alone, and 9, right? So solve step by step. So 3 squared means 9. So now let's solve this again. 2 plus 4 and 3 squared means 9 minus 8 and whole squared. The square applies to the whole bracket, right, not to the 9 and 8. So we treat it like it 9 minus 8 equals 1, right? Okay, so 2 plus 4 and 9 minus 8 equals 1 and whole squared. Now the square whole bracket 1 squared equals 1, right? So 2 plus 4 and 1 squared equals 1. Now here is hidden multiply, so multiply first. Okay, multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So 2 plus 4 times 1 equals 4 and 2 plus 4 equals 6.